Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Shayla Queen here. So if you don't know, then now you know. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the push notifications bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video, whether it's pertaining to college, lifestyle, beauty, hair, or anything else I feel the need to share. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to maintain your curly hair and to shake it back so it can be bouncy, juicy, and moisturized, just as you see here. Okay, so basically I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine. This hair actually looked worse than this, but I just kind of like went back and bleached a few of the knots. So that's why the hair is wet and it looks like this. And I also kind of plucked a little bit more. This wig is really old. Like, this is from my birthday, so this is going to be about a year old. I am not gonna lie to you, it was poorly made, poorly cut or whatever, because it was my first frontal wig ever made, but that's okay because we still make it work. So yeah, so the top part is wet, but the bottom half isn't. It's very much dry and, you know, nappy. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. So I have a little spray bottle with water here. I'm going to be using this paddle brush and something new. We're also going to be using the Extreme Gel, some humidity control, because it is Louisiana, so yeah. I'm gonna use some Keratin Smooth, trust me. Keep protected. Also some wrapping lotion. This is the only one I had, so this is what we're going to use. The first thing, I'm just going to wet the bottom half of the hair. So I'm gonna take it, split the hair in about half. I'm gonna take this section and pin it up. As you can see, like I said, it was very poorly made or whatever. A little bit more of that water. So you want to brush it like you would natural hair from the ends to the roots. Actually, let's split this into half. And make sure you get underneath, because most people forget to get underneath the hair, and that's where the most tangles be, because the hair is brushing across your back consistently, and that's where the hair is getting tangled. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish detangling these sections, this section, and then the rest of it on a time lapse. So yeah. So as you can see, so I just went through and I detangled everything 6 by section with water. And so, like, a brief review on this hair, y'all, I've had this hair for it'll be about a year now, and it is just as thick and as full as it was when I bought it. Even when like plucking and stuff like that, and even dealing with like whatever shedding might be, it doesn't really shed that much. It's just curly hair, so you gotta, you know, make sure you keep it detangled and stuff like that. But look at it, like, look, this hair has been worn so many times, washed, everything, and the curls still look amazing like a year later. I don't know if it has to do with the curly hair routine that I've been doing or what, but like, This is cute. So now for the next step, just a little bit of wrap lotion. And I just like to put it on the hair, kind of separate it to get in there. I kind of like stick it in there to plump it on the inside. And now I don't rub it in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it in. So it's like coating every strand. You see that? So I'm just gonna keep brushing it in. What I'm going to do is take the extreme gel, just gonna set that up here. I'm gonna take however much I feel I need to take, so kind of like a big glob, can't really see, but a big glob, rub it around, hands is sticky, kind of rub it through the, make sure you get the back of the hair. You see how I'm pressing it through my hands? So I'm like smoothing it out all across the hair. Make sure you get the ends, even the top part of the hair. Just smoothing that with my hand. So now, once again, I'm going to brush. The key to having your hair like yes, like this, is to keep it detangled. When, especially for curly hair, it needs to stay detangled consistently. Like every time you're doing something, you should be brushing it through or combing it through. And don't forget the under part, because that's the part that's the most tangled. That step, I'm gonna take this Luvs Humidity Control Hair Serum, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my hands, probably about a quarter size. Rub that around, coat the hair. Make sure you get the back. You wanna rub it in, and it has your hair smelling so good. I'm just rubbing that in, and look how nice. Like, look at that. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Keratin Smooth, and because I'm gonna end up putting this hair on soon, and I just like plucked it some or whatever, I'm just gonna spray the front part of it. So just kind of let that sit before I'm gonna hot comb. I'm gonna use my hot comb just to like make sure the front is like really laid and stays down. Also, at this point, if you want your hair to stay like this, not really thick, like poofy and stuff like that, then I would definitely recommend, after you do this, to take your blow dryer, preferably with a diffuser attachment, and just diffuse the hair. So you'll put it on there and go like this in these motions, and just kind of like diffuse the hair and blow dry it, just to like seal this product in this like curl pattern. But I personally like my hair to be like the thumbnail photo. I like it to be, you know, poof back out over time after it dries, kind of like your natural hair does. You know, you have it all slicked and stuff and gel down, but over time it, you know, it reverts back. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take my hair brush and brush the hairs back like I want it. You can even smooth it down, just to smooth the top part down. Like I said, don't forget to that. Yeah, this